Okay, here are some of my cute bees that I have made. Let's see how they look. Look at this beautiful bee. This one actually I got it in Gdansk, Poland, which is very famous for the amber and handmade silver jewelry, and this part of this bee is amber and the rest made by silver. Okay, you can see them on my neck, the size and the thickness of the chain. The material is stainless steel, gold plated and silver. Size of the chain is adjustable. I can make it exactly the size you are wishing for. This one is also made in Gdansk, and this is amber with silver. So let me know which necklace was your favorite one. Bee jewelry are made to give you the feeling of love, luck, and romance. Bee is a symbol of wisdom, birth, and rebirth. This one is very exclusive, made in Paris, and is silver with zirconia crystal. You can see the detail. If you're looking for something special and unique, this is one of the kind. And the point is, this ring is adjustable. As you see, it's open and you can adjust in your exact size that you have. This one is also made in Paris. Zirconia crystals and silver. It's open and you can adjust the size. For the pictures, clear picture, make sure to follow my Instagram page. I am very much active on the Instagram, and also on my website, the link is in below. You can find all the details and the prices and everything. If you have any question, let me know in a comment below or DM me. I will reply you with so much love. Always here at Maral Kunst Jewelry Land.